Hello friends, good evening all of you. So today's session we are going to see about previous year question revision. So almost we have completed syllabus, just you can check it on the previous videos. You'll get ideas. Okay, now we can see just what is the important questions and related concept. First one, we have to understand levels of teaching. So already we have discussed about levels of teaching in the first class itself. That is called memory level and understanding level and reflective level. So I told you normally we used to get 5 questions from teaching aptitude. So sure, 100% level of teaching, sure we will get 1 question. Okay, so memory level was just a list thoughtful and by habit. It's a full and full retain and recalling. It's a memory level. Understanding level means just understanding one they are doing it's themselves students. That's called memorization. And reflective levels are most thoughtful. It's a creative thinking level that is called by Hunter. Okay, now related questions we can see not only this related, just this important thing. So normally I used to do the PYQs everywhere. Which one is important, which tables are important from that concept. Just we can go through that one. It will be very easy and very interesting, useful also. Okay. In which level of teaching the teacher role is more active rather than being interactive? Teacher role is more active. So teacher role where is active? We have 3 levels of teaching. That is called memory level, understanding level, reflective level. Here, who will the teacher full and full will take over everything means memory level only. So here, active is a passive, learner is a passive one. So memory level only it's the answer. So understanding level different, reflective. Totally we have 3 levels of teaching. So the field of study which uses the role playing, simulation and self-evaluation as strategies as the adult learners. Wherever we are getting adult learners, adult means that is called as andragogy. I said already that also we have taken what is pedagogy, what is andragogy. Pedagogy means child-based learners and andragogy adult learners. So which of the strategies in the list given below which will be associated with direct teaching? So here first one, what is direct teaching? So here providing examples and explanation. Yes. So that's also direct teaching. Promoting inquiry. So promoting inquiry, focusing on concept, giving review and recapitulation, and offering a practice and feedback. So here we are going to see it's like memory level only. So first one you can take, this is the correct answer, providing examples and explanations. So which of the strategies list given below the associated with direct teaching? Sure. So they will give examples and explanation directly while taking the classes. Yes. So now we can take first option. Sure, understand. We can, it will get up. So which one is not coming first option? Just you can eliminate these answers. Automatically 2 answers eliminated. So you can check second answer or fourth answer. Suppose I am checking fourth answer, giving review and recapitulation. That also, I am giving review and recapitulation. That one also it's correct answer. And you can check fifth one. Fifth one offering practice and feedback. Yes, feedback we will get normally this one. So this 3 things is the correct answer. So if you have any doubts regarding that, you can choose full and full first option you can check compared to this one and this one. We don't know the answer actually, but you can check. You got only 2 answers using elimination method. Yes. Now you can check whether it's correct or this correct. Just assumption only I'm telling. Okay. Now second you can check it is a promoting inquiry. And this is third one's a focusing on concept. Compared to this one, actually review and recapitulation they will do for memory level, and the practice and feedback also we will get from this one. So this is actually direct teaching actually will happen. This is not memory level also full and full direct teaching concept. Next one, the field of study dealing with methods and principles using adult. Wherever we are seeing adult learners, adult education, this is called andragogy. Okay. So which of the following classroom related factors that influence effectiveness of teaching? So here prior task related behavior of students and Here you can see which of the following classroom related factors influence effectiveness of teaching. So which are the factors? Prior task related behavior of students. Okay, just we can see this one. We'll see adherence to linear pattern of communication by the teacher. Socio-economic status of the family to which learner belongs. Actually, sure, see it won't come. Social economic status we won't see. So just we can eliminate C. Only C you can eliminate automatically. It eliminated A, this one, and this one also. You got answer. If you don't know the answer, just we can move on to this concept. This one D, what inappropriate use of technological resources by sorry recourse by the teacher. So actually cultural background also they won't see. Okay. Now, which of the following statements differentiate teaching from learning? Here they are asking teaching as a differentiation. Teaching is a social act while learning is a personal act. Here they are differentiating, yes. So teaching and learning. So this is correct. And teaching implies learning. Here teaching only it's coming, not learning. So it won't come. So I got only two answer now. From this point of view, we can search here. A sure and 100% will get. B it won't come. So like this you can eliminate. A it will come. So you can eliminate this one. B it won't come. So you can eliminate this also. So we even match the following questions. This type of question, if you know correct only to one or two answers, sure you can use this method and you can find out the correct answer. That's the important thing that techniques we have to understand. Okay, next we want while doing practice you can try. C is that teaching is like selling while learning is like buying. And E what teaching is influence directed towards learning and learners is learning is usually towards its oneself. Okay, so below are listed some learner characteristics. Identify those help in effective teaching. So first one, learners' respect for teachers. Actually, they won't this one. It's not this one. No need the square answer. Learners' levels of which one is important? We have to check that. We have to see. Learners' levels of mental ability. Really, it has to check levels of mental ability has to be there. It's a learner's level. This is correct. Learners' previous experiences. Yes, yes. Next one, learners' levels of interest of study. Sure. So I'm not going to say full and full. You just you can read out. First one, I'm going to say first one. Yeah, it won't come. Just depends on that. Just you can eliminate these answers. Okay. Now we can see. I hear D E F. Here C is there. C. Here which one is different? C D C D F is there. Here we have to check. Again, I'll tell you. Only we have two options. Here two options also. C D F is there. Only thing difficult E and B. So we have to check E or B. So B learners levels of mental ability. Sure, we will get this is the answer. Again, I'll tell you here this type of questions you have eliminated which won't come. That is the 2.2 choices you have eliminated. From other two choices, you have found actually same kind of answers that no need to check at all because don't waste your time actually. Which one wants to check that only we can see. So I need to check E and B what is the true answer. So B it's a correct answer just we saw already. So E you can see learners levels of interpersonal relations that no need actually. So this is not a related one. So we can eliminate this also. Okay. Next one, which of the following tools are more suitable for creating videos for teaching and learning? Actually, we have different types of teaching learning methodologies, Mentimeter, Kahoot, and so many things. So here, actually, Kahoot is a play game-based learning, and we can say assessment-based learning. These are the Kahoot. Edpuzzle, just I have written here for your purpose. This is game-based learning and quizzes. So it's not possible to get here. Actually what they are asking, creating videos for teaching and learning, more suitable for creating videos. Okay, so here Edpuzzle is a creative interactive video lessons by adding questions, notes, audio and videos. That is called yes. And screencast-o-matic, now called screen pal. Screen pal recording and video creation for lectures. This is also correct. Mind master, mind mapping and brainstorming. It will create actually mind mapping, subheadings and diagrammatic, graphical orientation it will create. So it won't come. So Jamboard is actually called a digital collaborative whiteboard. It is not a video making. So our answer will be B and C. That is called this one. So we have to know while this one seeing that question itself, five concept answers, five concept definition we are going to learn. That is important thing. Okay. So next one, arrange the steps of the cycle of self-regulated learning in logical order. So what is a logical order? Actually, self-regulated learning, just I have put, first we have to analyze the task. Next one, we have to set goals and devise actually planning. Next one, use learning strategies and monitor and regulate the learning. So these are the strategies. So here first one is a first one analyze the task, second one setting goals, third one devise plan, fourth one is yeah, this one using learning strategies, and fifth one is a regulating learning. These are the concept as to identify. Some many times they're asking chronological orders like this questions are. Okay, so which of the following are the examples of scaffolding? So what is scaffolding? First, I'll tell you, is an instructional strategy in which a teacher provides temporary support to help students learn new concept or skills. So as the students gain confidence and competence, the students gradually reduce until they can perform the task independently. So here they are giving it's a temporary support. It's not full support. They are not leaving also, so they are giving so temporary support very often. So first choices you can see providing hints and clues to solve a problem. Yes, absolutely. This is correct because is a scaffold means is a temporary support. So providing hints means automatically is correct. So this is the correct answer. So A is the correct answer. What is the allowing the students to figure out the problem on their own? So here they are going to support teachers going to support here. So on their own means it's wrong actually. They are not live totally their own this one. So this is incorrect. Providing the students with all the answers and solutions to a problem. No, this also not correct. They won't give you full and full is a this one guidance. They will give clue or they will give hints or they will support partially. That's all. They are not providing full support. So here they what they are telling the students with all the answers and solutions to a problem. So everyone full and full supporting. That's also not a correct answer. So asking leading questions to guide the students thinking. Yes. So they are asking teachers asking questions and to guide the students. Just they are making to think the students. So this is correct. Leading questions encourage students to think critically and discover answers themselves. So my answer will be A and D. Okay. So first one, if you know A answer is correct, I told you already you have to use elimination method. So here you can eliminate, here A is not there. You can eliminate this one. You can eliminate this one. Now I have A and D and here A, B, C, D. Yes. So now we have to check. Suppose, for example, here you will check B answer, whether it's correct or not. Because here A and D is there. Here also A and D is there. If we'll check this choice, automatically we can eliminate 4 or not. We can find out that one. Okay. Now we can say B. What I said actually, allowing the students to figure out the problem on their own. So automatically it's not answer correct answer scaffolding. That's a partially actually this is the meaning for partially guiding. So before also I'm going to eliminate, so my answer will be second answer. So how we are going to find out the answer for exam time, that is a very important, because really it will help you if you don't know the answer full and full also, because you are reading so many questions, so many just syllabus and so many questions practicing. So automatically we have we have related knowledges, so related knowledge. So automatically what will happen, you are doing that elimination method, you will get a lots of points actually while doing the exam time. Okay, so you can try for this one and you can see the next video. If you have any doubts regarding that, just you can ask through WhatsApp group or comment session also. Okay, so thank you all of you, thank you once again